Now, when I first went to technical school, it took me, I was in it for 18 months, and it took me probably another 18 months or a year or two to get where I could basically do any type of substantial work. It took me that long.
So 18 months of tech school, 2 weeks of total tech.
Right. World of a difference. World of a difference. All of the information that's available, the charts that you have, the methods that you teach, and the way that you teach it, and you simplified it. In your 4-step electrical test method, it is unbelievable. It is unbelievable.
So simplicity.
Simplicity. Don't make it hard. You do a lot of explaining, and the repetitive teaching that you do, and you make it simple. Just understand the basics and know what they do. And once you got that down, and then you understand the mode of operation that is in and what it is actually doing, that really makes a difference. And the way that you all have the systems set up to simulate all different types of problems that you would run into in the field, that is amazing. I mean, the neat ways of checking compressors and reversing valves and all that, I never would have known that. The charts that you fill out, you fill out your saturated suction temperature, your saturated condensing temperature, your superheat and subcooling and all that, and ambient temperature and all that, and you have the 5-point system to go by and look at everything and all that. So I mean, that's just amazing. I know I've filled out, I would say, anywhere from 75 to 100 different performance sheets. Okay, so I had technically probably more lab time in a month than I had my whole 18 months in school, in the lab. That's where the rubber meets the road. That's where the rubber meets the road right there, in that lab. A month now, you know, and I'm totally confident. I have no question whatsoever about where to go to look for something, to understand something, to take the proper numbers and know what those numbers are and know what those numbers mean, and be confident in telling that client that this is what's wrong with your unit. And right now, I have no doubt whatsoever a person can put me in a truck and send me out there to a problem, and I can find out what that problem is.
Did you get what you come to get?
I got more. I got more than what I came for. Total Tech will teach you in 1 month what the average 18-month technical school cannot teach you in 18 months. I would